As we have anyone new, all Nameless except Milgi and all Mopan except Edgy are going on Bulwark in 10 seconds, so you have to be buffed by them.
Buffs, guys, buffs. If you still didn't do it, then what's... Fuck's sake, bro. I couldn't even smoke a cigarette because of this bullshit. Fuck that shit, man.
Somehow 14 people
You need
on
to use
Discord.
nicotine patches as like me. Already on fourth
You
one.
fucking snooze, bro.
Dance is different.
Jungle bot active.
That's all I like to hear.
We're gonna be popping all of the strats with the fucking buff this time. Just when I call for it.
I got it.
Damage boost. The ulti.
Get ready in 5 seconds, guys. In 5 seconds.
An ulti shock here.
No, don't. They pop city protection.
I'm gonna healing on.
Everybody play life a tiny bit. Just
can
do
use
not fucking get exploded because
Use
we're
it,
gonna
use it
pop
now.
everything. So make sure you're able to fucking
one
pop
out.
strat because it's
I'm
really
missing
important here.
it.
We're gonna
I'm
do
missing it.
damage.
Somebody.
I'm putting a healing shock on
Thanks,
me.
Soul, for disrupt. Everybody get ready. We're gonna pop strats in 3, 2,
I can rest stage here.
1. Pop on tower,
Reviving,
double damage. Come on, bomb it.
Okay, healer ulti on Bulwark now.
Group 4 going offense.
Healing teacher. Pooping to Papa. With them 12 Bulwark.
I'm gonna ult bulwark in a second. Ult in bulwark. Sorry, Negi. I'm gonna healing ult now.
Careful.
Yeah,
They're all
yeah,
here.
do
They're
it,
all
do it,
here
do
on
it.
bottom. Their defense is here as well. Be careful.
Top is group 5 is going to you.
Yeah. Keep the damage up on tower. We should have double damage soon, right?
Horsing.
I'm trying to heal teacher. I have to
Okay, just G1 drop
Resting in,
strats.
resting
Tower is
in.
almost dead. G1 just drop your strats. We're not using double damage for it. Yeah.
Healer
Pop the strat
ulti.
first if you can.
Pop mine.
They're bombing here.
Yeah, feeling ult, stop.
Damage boost. Ulti on teacher.
Okay, let's go mid.
One body.
We Bulwark.
Boss is gonna be at 26.
Problem body as well.
The silence Papa.
He's still in front, middle.
Gonna
What?
bomb our side of the
You-
bulwark.
Yeah. Full focus on the
Minus
tower here.
damage.
Get ready. We're gonna pop double damage on the
AoE
bulwark
pop,
with the strats in
Milgi.
3, 2, 1. Pop it.
I got ult again. When needed. Actually, I'm gonna healing ult now.
Stormbreaker and 12 on mid tower, and molting as well.
I'm dropping healing ult. Yeah, bomb them here. Bomb on 12. They're gonna die.
Healing Negi.
Okay, back to tower
I'm
damage.
having you from the roof, Maggie.
Kind of been jumping up into it.
Let's go Goose. G1 and G2 go Goose. G3, remember boss in 30.
Healer ulti here.
Gonna reset dance.
Papa?
What the hell happened to me?
What happened here?
Oh, I see. On the clump.
They should have immunity by now, so we need to be careful.
Mega.
One body.
Fucking.
Teacher come mid.
Bombing bulwark.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
I can
I'm gonna
healing
pull
ult
these
bulwark.
healers towards the
Healing
center
ult
here.
now.
Extend on center,
Getting some from
fast,
left, getting some
fast,
from
fast.
left. Pulling the center from left.
Now they're bombing us, healing ult here.
Stormbreaker left.
Yeah, I'm healing ulting this.
G shit.
Okay, bomb main bulwark.
Jungle in
Getting
40
pulled out.
Move,
seconds.
I cannot move, I cannot move, I cannot move.
Right, Papa.
Oh
I
fuck.
got 3 in.
I cannot move at all. I'm gonna be dead.
Yeah, dead.
Dead.
Yeah.
We're gonna have jungle in 30, use double damage now.
12 of bulwark.
Teacher, you didn't
Oh,
go
shit.
close to me.
G3 is dead, G3 is dead. We need to be careful.
Where are teacher?
Jungle in 20 seconds.
They're all coming here. Get out, get out, get out. Everybody get out. It's gonna be 15v10. We need to take care of jungle. Yeah, yes, try, cause...
Coming back.
Post up, so.
Oh, okay, I'm boss then.
Bro, they have so many people here.
Here. Push boss.
Okay. G2 go boss.
Mega.
We're sending G2 to boss now.
Going back now.
I'm ulting this for space.
Okay, altered Papa.
Yep.
Let's go to healing ult, healing ult. 1 second. Healing ult.
I will revive you, Maggie, don't worry. Coming back to middle.
Wait, did we all go to the boss or?
I think it was only me and Maggie. I cannot mount, I'm trying. Bro.
I'm so confused by the calls today. Like,
I don't know.
just
I
group
cannot,
to the
like,
boss,
I'm...
no?
Yeah,
Here.
that's what it is. There's like 7 people made, I think.
Play live here on Goose. We're getting fucking exploded here. We're still missing people. I'm ulting here for space. Directly on top of Goose, if you can.
Coming back.
Extend it.
Dan kan hij
Putting on left.
one bin to...
Pulling down.
Revive Maggie.
Careful on the left side here. Need to disrupt on the left side. Play from the right side, Nameless. Play from the right side. I'm gonna drop a
Void
healing ult
can
on
die.
the center towards the right a bit.
Okay, never mind.
Goose is in center. Keep the damage up on center, gun. Come on, guys. Extend this shit, extend this shit. Extend on center. Towards the right, towards the right, towards the right, towards the right.
I'm going right side.
Healer ult to middle. Reviving Sysme.
Slow back on Goose.
G-shields, G-shields.
I got P shield.
Look on the right, look on the right, look on the right. Bomb shit on the right. Bomb on the right, bomb on the right,
Bombing
bomb on the
between
right.
right and
Extend
left
them.
side. Pulling to mids.
You need to,
Yes.
Neo, you absolutely have to cancel and move with it. Otherwise you just fucking fuck up the other person collecting them.
Going healing ult mid.
Healing ult on the right, be careful, they're
Playing
bombing.
top right. Right now. Oh, ulti teacher Papa.
Oh, what the fuck. More damage on Goose, come on. Thanks, focus on the strap,
Halo
fully
at the
focus on the
middle.
strap here. Find the names on the sides.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
I'm bombing on the right, I'm bombing on the right. Pulling them towards middle.
Middle.
Extend this shit, extend this shit, extend this
Pulling
shit.
on mids.
One
Getting
spell.
a bit to right. Sync them.
Yeah,
I don't have healer ulti, I used it already.
Yeah. I got one in 5 seconds. I can do it mid.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
I'm dropping
Yeah,
Claymore
mid.
in center.
Oh,
It's
fuck.
fucking flying.
The fuck was that?
I'm trying to res. You're full
I'm
dead.
trying to keep teacher alive.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Get ready for
Bomb right
jungle
center.
here. Go jungle, go
Run.
jungle. G1
I'm
and G2
gonna
go
be dead
jungle.
on the right side.
Oh, G3 just
I'm
died.
silencing, man.
I'm dead. Oh, I got the rest. Hello. Revive Maggie.
I have the chicken here, bro. Dance, you see the chicken? Make sure
Teacher,
that...
we're not jungle, we're goose.
Goose, okay.
We are bottom jungle when we have 3. Yeah? When we are carrying 3, then we go instead of G1 to bottom. Oh my
shit.
god. Melting.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Papa will
your
ult on you.
shield.
Okay, never mind. I have the twin blades on me.
Me and Papa are free casting. Shit the collection.
Okay, they're coming
Wow.
back to the goose. Goose has immunity, goose has immunity. Get ready for double damage after this, and we're gonna full pump the goose. I want all the tanks to ult for disrupt. Just ult for disrupt when I call for it. D-clump as much as you
Ultimate
can.
ult.
Okay, it's
Find
ultimate,
goose,
ultimate.
goose is center towards the right.
I'm gonna bomb mid gate.
I'm bombing on the right. Double damage in 3,
Stormbreaker
2,
on right. One as
1.
well.
Damage on goose, damage on goose. Nameless ults, nameless ults, nameless
Fuck,
ults as
I
well.
teased my horse.
Goose is towards the center now. Tanks keep bombing and disrupting. We need this goose damage.
Try to help you, Lottie.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Goose is center,
Oh,
goose
no.
is center. Get out of right, get out of right side, get out of right side. Fast, 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 fast.
Oh
Okay,
shit.
I'm good. Playing left side.
What the fuck? I just keep getting cancelled by random bullshit.
Ulti middle. A little
Keep
bit
the
to the
damage
right.
up. I got you, Eddie.
In Papa 12. It's pretty much right next to the goose.
Get out of center here. Get out of center. They're bombing it.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
bomb
rest.
the
Silence.
goose. Gonna bomb the goose. Bomb the goose.
Yeah, huge.
Bomb on goose, extend on goose,
Do we
extend on
have
goose. I'm
healer
dropping within
ulti?
center.
Shield, new goose.
10,
Okay,
10
okay.
seconds, 10 seconds.
It's fine, he used.
I'm gonna pull them from the tree towards the goose. Look on goose, damage
I'm
on goose,
stunned
damage
again,
on
I cannot
goose.
heal, watch out.
Horsing.
Full fucking damage on goose, guys.
Somebody here as
Get
well.
ready for driving.
Get ult if you can.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Full
once
disrupt on the right side. Full disrupt on the right side. Nameless
tree,
play from
on
left.
the tree.
Nameless play from left and full fucking damage on the driver.
Someone missed. What the fuck? Sprint was already used.
Did somebody use sprint?
Yes.
I think so.
No,
Like
somebody
before the goose died.
used
It was
our
like
sprint.
it's ready now.
Yeah, I know.
Trolling.
Nice.
It was...
Actually.
Yeah,
It's okay, it's okay.
Khalid, I think. Because it's Chinese.
That was not me.
Attention.
Yeah, I think I'll look at it, but yeah.
Get ready, full damage on top of the driver in 3, 2,
He's
1.
Nameless in front.
Bomb it, damage.
Stand behind tree.
Until.
We build as well on tree.
Damage on the driver, guys, come on, send it on the fucking driver. Tanks keep disrupting.
No endurance.
Hoping
One
to go
calls
back.
Sagami on Soulkeeper, please.
Yeah.
And that's.
On that, we still have tanks playing around the fucking
Dead.
tree for some reason.
Oh no,
I mean,
I'm
yeah,
being
no one
bombed.
else. Like, of course they have.
Lots
Good,
of
good,
nameless
good.
custom
I'm outside.
inside.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Jungle
saying.
in
So
60
just keep
seconds.
testing.
Okay, staying
Fucking
inside.
Khalid.
I'm trying to res. Or get on tree or something. Res, we need reses here inside the base, guys, come on.
Incoming.
I said we need to get inside now.
Okay, I cannot get this.
We should, yeah.
Okay, I'm
Crazy,
respawning.
bro.
I'll be out of the game for
No, I'm
2
just dead.
minutes.
Just
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Ulti in front of the gate. I tried to rescale it, but it was dead already, so...
Yeah, same.
Full play life
Boss
around the
stop.
tree. Full play life.
I'm gonna
Boss
die.
stop.
Where are you?
Jungle in 30 as well, in 20.
Jungle in
You think
20
to-
seconds.
Trying to get
Healing
to the-
circle? You're fine, you're fine.
Somebody. I'm getting up.
I'm gonna bomb the road here. Bomb the road here.
And they have chickens in the jungle.
Yeah, I have revive. I don't know who's better.
Oh my god, it's 10 people in the jungle, what the fuck? And
But it's
they have chickens as
still-
well.
I'm
Back
just
to
loading
tree
for
now.
10 minutes, man.
They are going boss.
Jesus.
Make sure we get the boss here, guys. Commit to boss, G2 and
Are we going,
G3.
boss? G2 and G3, okay.
Oh my god, that fucking reds, bro. Like, leave me alone.
Oh my.
I'm just gonna try to invade
I'm
it.
gonna be
Taking
late
us
then.
away
Here.
from the red people.
Alright, they already got it.
I had the red dude that was following me.
I'm here, Khalid. Nameless ult. Come on, dance, pop it.
Here. Ulting.
Behind here.
Full damage on the tree. Full damage on the driver. Full damage on the fucking driver. Nameless,
Just
bro.
Heals as
Come on.
well. I'm not TB ulted here.
Are you healing ult here?
I didn't get it. Watch out, watch out. Get out, get out, get out.
I'm just ulting this.
Did we?
No, I
Didn't get it, no.
Oh. Oh, we have 3. Okay.
I'm raising. Full focus on the
put
trap here
heroes
from the
on
tanks.
tree. I'm not
Tanks,
healing.
focus on this trap. Tanks, focus on this trap. Stop playing around the tree.
Gonna bomb 6 here.
Got. I
Playing
ulted
with,
there.
yeah, I'm 6-2.
Fucking crazy.
Yeah, same. High glory or
Pumping
whatever.
the
I'm
clan.
coming.
On the
Full
left
trap on
side,
6.
so I
Full
can
this trap on
just
6.
bomb
Full
here.
this trap on
Ulti on
6.
I'm gonna horse.
They're bombing here. They're bombing here. Need killing
Shooting
with
as
some
well.
nameless ults.
Nameless Banyi, Papa, Rosai, your side.
Horsing them, don't worry.
And heals on tree.
Send it on the driver. Send it on the driver. All the fucking damage on the driver. Everything you fucking got on the driver.
Horsing.
Gonna healing ult on 3.
I'm raising you, Eddie.
Healing on 3. Golden body.
Something.
Like a few
We're sprinting,
Low.
sprinting, that's good.
12.
Yeah, I'm on them.
Mulan Chan.
One close towards the tree. Horsing behind the tree. Just a couple of them.
Yeah, I'm moving 6 again.
On my way.
Gonna bomb the
Okay,
choke.
teacher.
Bomb the choke
I'm gonna
here.
pop his shield at 6.
Nameless play from 12. Nameless play from 12.
They're pulling tree. They're pulling tree.
Nameless play from 12. Tanks disrupt on 6.
I'm pushing choke. Push the choke.
Oh my god, what a fucking fuck ass skill, bro. Everybody
Killer
horse,
ulti?
everybody horse,
Oh.
horse.
I'm reviving.
Nice.
I got healing ult in 4 seconds.
I used right now. Mine.
Fuck
Yeah,
is
yeah,
this
yeah.
wall, like...
Healing ult on 12.
Behind, Papa. Let it see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Oh, they got revived. Behind us.
Yeah. Oh.
Keep
Yeah,
sending
we-
damage on the driver.
Okay.
I'm pushing crawling in.
Popping the shield.
And even more than damage. Cloud steps,
Jungle in 40
Talon,
seconds.
Palm would be great.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. And the others as well, of course.
Got a healing ult here.
Mulan
Get ready for jungle. Look on 6. Look on 6. Look on 6. Full disrupt on fucking 6.
Jungle
Full
in
disrupt on
24.
6.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Did you die?
The
Bomb it
main
on
blocker
6,
has
bomb
the
it on 6,
world,
bomb
he
on
likes
6,
world
bomb on
blocks,
6,
so...
Hello?
bomb on 6 and then go jungle. Fast. Collapse on them here. Collapse on them.
forcing
Full
him,
collapse.
forcing
Full
him.
collapse. Full collapse.
Choke.
jungle ready. Like,
Yeah, moving.
few reds.
I'm dead here. I'm dead below the platform. If you can get me, Bovex, I can be rest.
Pressing Papa.
But I need heal. Oh my god. I'm good.
If anyone has a talent, I can sprint.
I don't have.
They're pulling tree.
Yeah.
Like you
Send
good?
damage on tree. Send damage
Yeah.
on tree. Everybody that's here,
Okay.
damage on tree.
Going
Yeah,
past
I see
now.
him.
I'm anti-heal like crazy. I'm gonna die here.
Going back.
Ah, fucked up, not bad.
But did you die?
I need to
red
ult for
band,
shield, bro. Legit.
Or closer to the choke.
Nice. Good fucking damage. Good fucking
Oh,
shit.
I'm dead.
I need heals, guys.
Yeah.
Not to be ulted, but they
Toward
might
the
see.
enemy side.
Heals, bro, on the driver.
I think I got you.
Look on 12. We disrupt on 12. We need to be careful here because the trees are together. We need to play towards the 12. Give me tanks towards the
Follow
12.
behind
Yeah, I'm following.
tree. Got a healing ult behind tree here.
Damage boost. Get the papa.
Killed someone.
Oh, these guys are just blocking.
Still following on
I'm giving you healing ult. Yeah. Get ready for damage on the driver. Tanks, keep disrupting. All the fucking damage needs to be on the
Soul
driver in
Keeper.
5 seconds. In 3, 2,
It's the white guy.
1. Bomb on driver, bomb on driver, bomb on driver, bomb on driver, bomb the shit, bomb the shit, bomb the shit, bomb the shit.
Bumping him.
I'm gonna build a tree.
Bomb the shit, guys, come on, more damage, more damage. I'm raising you, Eddie.
I can be healed now.
Good tree.
Heal on 3, disrupt on 12. Look in between
I'm
the
gonna
trees,
bomb
guys.
the right side here.
We're gonna full bomb between the trees,
Yeah,
Everything
full bomb
fucking out
between
here.
the trees.
Bomb it.
It is big, it's big, it's big.
Everybody press horse.
Sprint in 5. Can hold something.
Putting
Main
healing ult
missiles
here.
as well. Keep fucking popping main missiles, guys.
Oh my god, my frame is dropping.
Yep.
It's gonna be swap.
Let me talent palm now if anyone can.
I'm trying. Yeah, I got it.
Past.
I think I'm dead. Yeah, I'm
Look
dead.
at
Yeah,
this.
He's
can't
res.
have them anymore.
Team is at 12.
Nice.
That too.
I'm raising you, Khalid.
Fucking horses shit.
I'm ulting this.
Ulti on tree.
Keep sending damage on our driver, guys.
In the build a tree.
Oh my god, bro.
Healing ult on tree if anyone has.
Bomb
Never
right
mind,
side
to be
of
ulted
our
now.
tree.
Pull that.
Bomb right side.
Play life here, Be careful, guys. Be careful.
Revived teacher.
I got healing ult in tree. I'll pop it the right way. Healing ult now.
We don't, yeah, jungle in 130. We don't have coins now. Somebody pick up the tree if you can. Oh shit, bro, be careful. Play life. Don't worry about the tree now. We're all gonna die if you go for it. Just play life. Stay moving. Keep moving. Tanks, keep disrupting.
Trying to keep myself alive now.
Okay, I'm loading for 10 minutes now.
Ah, I died.
I don't know where.
Just in front, behind front.
Jungle in
Mid-
60
middle
seconds.
gate.
Behind front.
Or
Resting you.
Revive someone. Ulti on tree.
I got bomb in 2 seconds. Gonna bomb the. Right
I'm
side.
I legit have no
Yeah,
idea what's
maybe
happening, guys.
I'm
I'm
teacher.
loading,
Oh
so
fuck, I ain't got
I'm hitting soul
Good
keeper.
for
Jungle in 40 seconds.
make sure we get this
We're
jungle
sick.
because we need one sprint and then we
How
win.
are
Yeah, we
how
down on
you
your
looking?
golden body
Need
as
help?
well.
We need sprint. I'm dead, bro. Loading for the past 10 minutes.
Damn, Maggie.
It's so
Fucking, I'm gonna
cooked,
try
bro,
to get on
legit.
the tree.
Yeah. Okay, I'm loaded.
I'm gonna hitting on there.
Pumping.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
I'm just ulting on the tree. Ulting on the tree here.
Adopt 3. I'm getting 3.
Storm backhand hero.
Void,
tree.
void, I'm void with you, teacher. I'm with you.
Full send everything on the driver.
Why are they controlling mid gate? Like, what the fuck's going on?
I don't mean for tanks to be physically be on top of it. I need you guys to disrupt. Nice. GG's.
2 minutes. Q.
Everybody leave instantly, and let's try to queue.
Oh
Fast,
my
fast, fast,
god. We gotta get something bad.